Kate Moss, the iconic British supermodel, has maintained her timeless beauty through a combination of skincare rituals, wellness practices, and makeup techniques. Kate Moss is now 51 and looks better than ever. Here's an overview of her beauty secrets. Skincare routine. Kate emphasizes a simple yet effective skincare regimen. She cleanses her face with a foaming cleanser and follows up with a moisturizer. She has mentioned using products from her own wellness brand, Cosmos, which includes a face cleanser and moisturizer infused with natural ingredients like oak moss and CBD. She finishes with the Cosmos Sacred Mist, which helps to add additional moisture and instantly lifts her mood. Encouraged by her daughter Lila, Kate has incorporated sunscreen into her daily routine to protect her skin from harmful UV rays. Lila probably has more of a skincare routine than I do, and she's very good at makeup and things, she says after applying the Laneige lip mask, which also came at her daughter's recommendation. To promote lymphatic drainage and reduce puffiness, she uses tools like a gua sha and jade roller, which she often carries in her bag for on-the-go depuffing. Before moving on to makeup, she squeezes a drop of her golden nectar tincture under her tongue, praising its anti-inflammatory and stress-relieving benefits, whether ingested or applied topically as a serum. Makeup tips. I have to say, I'm not very high maintenance when it comes to doing my makeup, she admits, particularly during the day. 2 different shades of Charlotte Tilbury's concealer helps to even out her complexion, while an Hourglass bronzer adds a touch of colour. I've always liked makeup, but I was from the days of grunge, so it was just a bit of black eyeliner and some lipstick patted on the cheek, says Moss, though now she's a bit more adventurous, especially with her eye looks. For her daily makeup, Kate prefers a minimal approach, using concealer to even out her complexion, a touch of bronzer for warmth, and eyebrow gel to define her brows. She often curls her lashes and applies a rosy lip tint for a fresh appearance. For special occasions, she enhances her look with smoky eye makeup, utilizing black eyeliner and mascara to create a dramatic effect. Kate's best beauty tip is eyelash curlers. Makeup artist Kevin Aucoin first introduced her to them backstage at a fashion show. They really open up your eyes, and sometimes you don't even need to use mascara when your lashes are already curled from the eyelash curler. And the Kate Moss look is never complete without perfectly undone hair, achieved by spraying on texture mist, which she muses was made especially for her from her longtime hairstylist Sam McKnight's collection. After a final spritz of the mood-boosting Sacred Mist, Moss is ready for the day in true supermodel form. Wellness practices. In recent years, Kate has embraced a healthier lifestyle, incorporating meditation, yoga, and a balanced diet to enhance her overall well-being. First thing in every morning, she makes a pot of Cosmos's Dawn tea and meditates. I find taking these few moments to myself really helps me prepare for my day. Kate does a guided meditation for about 10 minutes in the morning to help ease any anxiety and keeps her calm throughout the day. Kate has been practicing yoga for many years, but recently started doing Pilates to improve overall strength. She's invested in a Cadillac Pilates reformer, which she is learning to use with her instructor, Hortense Suleiman. Kate does not follow any particular diet, but she does not eat very much meat these days and always likes to start her day with a green juice. She does nutritionist Rose Ferguson's 5-day plan when she does do a cleanse. You don't fast, but you do have liquid-only days, and she always feels lighter in her body and clearer in mind after doing it. She begins her day with a cup of Cosmos's Dawn tea, designed to wake up the system and promote internal balance. She loves to soak in a bath when she has the time. The Santa Maria Novella bath oil is one of her absolute favourites. Charlotte Tilbury taught me about manifesting and to believe in myself. If you believe enough, the universe will deliver. Kate has been seeing a homeopath for 4 years, Victoria Young, who has been a huge influence on her wellness journey and helped her find a balance in life. She has collaborated with her on her brand, Cosmos, and helped create the fragrance for the Sacred Mist and the herbal blends for the teas. If I can't sleep, I have a cup of Cosmos Dusk tea. We included ingredients like lavender and passion flower, which relieve anxiety and tension, so this is my perfect way to wind down. Additional secrets. Kate finishes her showers with a blast of cold water to invigorate her skin and boost circulation. And on a bad face day, her old go-to trick is to plunge her face into a bowl of iced water and cucumber slices. It instantly tightens and gets rid of puffiness. She then uses Cosmos Golden Nectar facial oil drops with her rose quartz gua sha. Together, they give your skin that extra glow and are great for detoxifying and lymphatic drainage. Whenever she flies, she stays hydrated on the flight and only eats light goods. I find adapting to the new time zone as soon as I arrive is helpful. Kate has recently undergone red light LED therapy and uses the Talika Time Control Plus device. It's great, as it's small and easy to travel with, and she can see an improvement in her skin. Kate also has regular facials and indulges in professional facial treatments, including lymphatic drainage massages, to maintain her skin's health and radiance. By integrating these practices into her routine, Kate Moss continues to exemplify timeless beauty and grace.